Okay, this video is just a short video to help you get some things down easier. It's called How to Make Matrix Arithmetic Way Easier, or Why Mr. Academic Students May Feel Like Doing Bad Things to Him. Basically what I'm going to do is show you how to do something so much easier that you might be kind of upset that I didn't show it to you earlier. So that's why I chose to show it to you on a day where I'm in Richland and I'm too far away for you to strangle or that sort of thing. Although I suppose you could curse the day I was born and hang me in effigy, but if you don't know what that means, look it up. But anyway, here's what you're going to see today. I'm going to show you how you can use the TI83Plus calculator to get this job done a lot faster. By the way, Chan Min, there's one of these calculators in the left-hand middle drawer of my desk. You're welcome to use it. Okay? So you'll be using this calculator here to work with matrices. So I've got some things I need to show you on this. First, you need to find the matrix button. It's right here, just above the x to the -1 key, row 4, column 1. And since it's in yellow, you'll need to get to that by pressing the second button first. So press second, matrix, and you'll come up with a list of matrices. There's actually 10 matrices there. Okay. And you may notice that it already shows the dimensions of 3 matrices that I've got in my calculator. You may not have matrices at all in your calculator, or you may have different ones. Please don't panic about that. Don't worry. We'll get that straightened out. So if your numbers are different, don't worry. Okay? So currently, in my calculator, I've got matrix A being a 2 by 2 matrix, matrix B being a 3 by 1, and matrix C being a 3 by 1. Well, if you take a look over here on the right side of the screen, over here, okay, I see 3 matrices that I want to enter in my calculator, and they're not in there yet. So I'm going to show you how to do that first. Okay? We're always, for now anyway, we're going to be either on the Names menu or the Edit menu. Okay, so I'm going to skip over the Math menu right now and go to the Edit menu. I'll press the right button twice, go to the Edit menu, and I've decided I want to edit matrix A. So I'll stay on Edit and press Enter. And A is already a 2 by 2 matrix. If it's not, just press 2, Enter, 2, Enter, and it will make it a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay? If you had a 3 by 3 matrix in there, it'll chop off the last row and the last column. So if you desperately wanted that data, do something first or save it. And then I want the numbers 3, 2, 5, and 4 in there, and so I'll simply enter them this way. I'll press 3 and then Enter, and it puts it in there. And notice it went to the right, so I'm going to go to the right now, and then 2, Enter. It jumped down to the second row now. And I'm going to type a 5, and then press Enter, and then a 4. And many people right here will fail to press Enter, and so they lose the last number. It stays a 0 in my case, when I really wanted it to be a 4. So I'm going to press Enter again just to make sure I get that last number in there. Okay? Now, I've got matrix A entered in the calculator, and now I want matrix B in there. So I'll go back to matrix, second, matrix, go over to Edit, and now I want to edit matrix B. So I'll either go down to B and press Enter, or I could just press 2, either way. Okay. Well, matrix B right now is a 3 by 1 matrix, but I want a 2 by 3 matrix. So I'll just type in 2, Enter, 3, Enter, and it changed the shape of it for me, so now it's ready to accept numbers. Okay. So I'll go through, type in a -1. Notice I used the negative key here, not the minus. Okay, this is a negative. So -1, Enter, 4, Enter, 5, Enter. Now I'm down to my other row. 6, Enter, 1, Enter, 3, and of course, Enter at the end. Okay. So I've got matrix A and B edited now, and now I want to do matrix C. So matrix, over to Edit again. I want to edit matrix C, so I'll just press 3. It gets me there faster. And again, I want it to be a 2 by 3. Okay, and it set it up for me. And here I go. 4, 10, 3, 2, 8, 6. Okay, pressed enter after every one. So now, if I go back to my matrix list, I can see that that I have the matrices all of the right size there. And if I want to go back and hit the edit button again and look at them, I can see what they are. Okay? So now I'm going to go out to my home screen and press clear if there's anything else on there. So I've got a blank home screen, and now I want to use the calculator to add matrix B and matrix C. Okay? So here I go. I'm going to make sure I start from the home screen. I'm going to go back to matrix, and now I want to use matrix B, but I don't want to edit it. I just want to stay on the names of it and use it. So I'm going to stay on names right here and press 2, or go down to 2 and press enter. I'll press 2. And notice it copied the name B in brackets to my home screen. Okay? If I press enter right now, I can look at it. And yep, there's my matrix with all the right numbers in it. I'm going to clear that. I'm going to go back and get matrix B again. So stay on names, press 2. It copied matrix B to the home screen. Now I'll press plus and go to matrix again. I want matrix C now, so I'll press 3. Okay. So it's copied the instruction. It hasn't done it yet, but it's copied the instruction, add matrix B and C together. And on the home screen, now when I press enter, it does it for me. Okay. So it can add these very nicely. Now I'm going to press clear now, and I'm going to multiply matrix A and matrix B. You might remember that as a fairly tedious thing to do. It took several steps multiplying those together. Well, now I've told matrix A I can either press the times symbol or just put matrix B right past it like that. When you put them together like that, the calculator understands that you want to multiply them. Okay? So you can use a multiply symbol or not. I chose not to. When I press enter, there's the product of those two matrices, all done for you. If I happen to want to save that matrix, I can do that. Down here at the bottom of the calculator, I see a store key, S-T-O. Okay. My relatives in the South would say STO anyway. Okay. So I'm going to store that answer in, let's just select a matrix. How about matrix F? Okay, so that's 6. So that's going to take that answer and store it in matrix F. So now matrix F has that set of numbers in it. Okay. So it's now easy to add and multiply matrices just using the TI83Plus calculator. I do want to show you one thing though. Notice that matrix B and matrix C cannot be multiplied. Let's see what happens when you try it. Matrix B, matrix C, so that's the command to multiply matrix B times matrix C, and when I press enter, it says error, dimension mismatch. Okay? It won't let me do that. So if I press 2, it'll go to where it says the problem is. It says, hey, you can't do that. Okay? The only combinations I can multiply here are A times B or A times C. Okay? So now you've seen how to use the calculator to store matrices and to do basic arithmetic with them. We'll use them more as we go along, but I wanted you to at least see that and perhaps be able to use that for your homework today. All right, see you later.